Right, the only thing that we have to do now is texture map the top. Now I got a little bit of a problem here. If I make this object invisible, it's the group node, so it makes the whole thing invisible. I've got a solution for that. Go into Windows, Hypergraph, Hierarchy, and just middle mouse click and drag this surface out of there, which makes it visible again. Now I got a couple of issues. The main thing, the main thing is this little set of faces inside. If I select the faces as a loop and I just cylindrical map this, you can see that my UVs are actually reversed because I used the shaded UV display. But that's okay because we can still scale it down and flip it. And we need to scale it down way more because proportionately this is only a small section of the entire object. So I'm just going to scale it down like that, move it down here, that's fine. The rest of it, I'll just ask for a shell, and I'll map this cubic, and I'll scale this like so. This looks about right, and move this down. Now, can go back into the hierarchy node and move out this one and do exactly the same thing. Just get rid of this and roll it around this, and just for the sake of getting it into the proper scale, just scale this back. This is about what I had with the other side. Just move it down here. This is fine. Now combining all this to one object. I just select 3 objects here and go to, let's close the UV editor and go to combine. This will combine the surfaces into one. Now I got the surface, just to make sure, in object mode, and I can just Shift Alt Delete the history away, and we got ourselves the texture map barrel. Now the only thing that I need to tell you is in the texture map, the UV editor, you can actually send an image out, create a PSD file, and you can actually send this PSD file with the UV coordinates on it, so you can make a hand-painted texture.